Alright, I'm back with an update on the motor wear test stand. So if you haven't seen the other videos, this right here is the gearbox for Rover, and this is the normal motor for Rover with the encoder right there. And the rest of this is a test stand. So the idea is that these things, when I took Rover out for a 2-kilometer drive, 3 of the gearboxes failed a couple of different ways. And I want to get these things to last 50 kilometers or more between services. In order to do that, I've got to iterate on the design here. But if I have to print 4 gearboxes and then go install them on Rover, get everything running, take it out of the field, and drive it around until it fails, it's a huge amount of work. But if I can just wear it out in my office, then it's a lot easier. So I took, this is a drywall mixing paddle that you buy at the hardware store, and then I just printed this whole stand here. So the whole idea is you fill this bucket with sand, and then you just spin this thing and you just leave it running in your garage or whatever until it stops working, and you have some software that's keeping track of how many rotations it's been, and then you figure out roughly how many kilometers that would be, and you'll get an idea for how long this thing will last. So I can sort of show real briefly. Let's see, I've only got one hand here for a minute, so hopefully that'll work. I'm just going to spin this up. This is the VESC software. It's pretty sunny out here. There you go. So I've got like a live feed of the current draw, and the duty cycle should be at 0 right now. It's pretty much 0. And then I'm going to turn up the speed, and hopefully this thing doesn't knock itself off. So I'm going to say negative 5,000 electrical RPM, and there we go. So this thing kind of resembles an ice cream maker too. It's pretty amusing. But basically, normally that gearbox is rotating Rover's wheel, but instead we're rotating this paddle. So just wanted to show that real quick. And then I don't want to do any video editing today, so I'm just going to upload this video, and then I'm going to shoot another short video after I'm going to sink this thing into the sand and screw it on, and then I'll upload another short video of it operating, although there's not much to see in that case. But yeah, so that's this thing pretty much working.